Hello friends, welcome to my another video on my YouTube channel TKF Electronics. I hope you all are doing fine. Well friends, today I have received for repair SONY HT-IV300 only. This is also same HT-IV300. See this one. Okay, let's check what's the issue in this. We'll put it on and check. I'll put it on now. Put it on. Hello come, see hello come. So friends, I have already connected to my Bluetooth. Okay, so see song is running, see, so song is running, so I'll put the volume up to 20. So we'll check the output. Yeah. See, there is no output. No output. No output. So no output, friend. So there is no output. So it means that there is some problem. See. So let's check it out. We'll just dismantle this and put it off first. See, too much dust. See friends, too much dust. See, dust is too much. So first we will clean this with the blower, air blower, high pressure. So then we'll check step by step. We'll check some voltages first on the amp board. So I'll put it on. It's on. So it's hello come. So hello come. Now we'll check some voltages. So I already connected the power. This is my common. So we'll check some voltages on 3 volt. Okay, what's 1.8 volt on pin 28, and this also not getting hot. Also should supposed to get hot. .620. Okay, see guys, there is no much voltage over here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 22, 22 no, 23 no, 24 no, 25 no. So anyway, we'll check. We'll apply signals. High voltage coming or not? We'll check. High voltage is coming, friend. So guys, this is already connected to my Bluetooth. See, it is working. Song is running on. So now we'll check. I already connected to my Bluetooth. So we'll check some voltages. So this is my common, as you know, already seen. Okay, and on pin number 9 it's a plus B supply line. We'll check on pin number 9. 3 volt should supposed to be, see, 3.2 volt, and 11, see, 1.5. So now we'll check on 15, not 53.1. This is supply pin, okay, and here 1.6, 6.2. but the IC is getting little hot. I'm feeling some abnormal voltages, so I will put it off and we'll check some ohmic test. Okay, we'll check some ohms test. I will put it off. So now we'll take some ohmic test. So just remove the heat. See guys, it's burned some. See, you can see here, just something burned. See, black. This IC, you can see here. See, it is burned. Here this is good. Here it is burned. See, you can see here. So it means there is a problem in this. Anyway, we'll check IC also. Some ohmic test. I kept on buzzer range, guys. Sheet showing 43 ohms. Stream IC is showing shorting with the body also. Stream IC. See, and the output of this also showing shorting. See, 7 ohms. Output of all these pins. You can see 2 ohms. It should not support to be so. See, this is all shorted with the body. Body means IC is faulty. This IC is also faulty, and this IC also faulty. It looks, because if this IC is faulty, at least 3 speakers should work, but it's not working. So it means that stream IC also faulty. See, I'm not showing some abnormal ohms here. See, it should not supposed to show. See, this IC also shorted. So guys, stream IC and one front right, front left, and subwoofer IC. This 2 IC is showing shorting with the body, faulty. So what we will do, we'll take it out the board and we will work on this. We'll try to replace this and this IC with the new one. So we'll take it out the board first. So guys, we already moved this one. So now we'll start working on this. Keep this aside. So we'll work on this now. So you can see the IC is burn. See this one, black, can see black. Here IC is good. This IC looks good, and this IC, this is shorted. So we'll take it out both the IC. We'll try to remove this 2 IC, stream IC, and this is amplifier IC. So we'll try to remove this one now. remove this also. So we have already cleaned the area. See this one. So now we'll fix the new IC. So but before that, just clean this. So friends, I have already removed this one, the faulty one. So this is the faulty IC. So now we're going to put the new IC. I've got the new IC with me. This is the new IC. This is STA516BF. The number of this IC is STA516BF. This will come here. Okay. And this is a stream IC. So because two ICs is faulty, amplifier IC and stream IC. So we need to replace both IC. So I got the new IC also with me. See guys, this is task 5538. This both are original IC. So this will come here. So now we'll start soldering. So guys, we have soldered this one. So these are the new two IC we soldered. So perfect now. So we'll just clean this one. So we replace these two. This is the faulty, this two with this one. Amplifier IC and this is task 5538. So we replace this one to 2 IC. So we'll just clean this one. We have already replaced the IC. See, this is the one STA516BF and this is task stream IC TS5538. So we replace this two IC, and this IC is okay thing because after supplying input signal then only will come to know. So you can see now. So fix this back.